Sai Hira Ram, everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, this is the recipe of Dal Khichdi, a soft, soothing and homely one-pot meal that is light on the stomach yet full of flavor. The ingredients for the same are kolam rice, salt and oil. For the dal, we will take yellow moong dal, green dal chilka, tur dal, turmeric, salt, chili paste and ginger paste. In the vegetables, we will include beans, carrot, green peas, capsicum, potato, onion and tomato. For the masalas, we will take cumin seeds, coriander powder, garam masala, asafoetida, kasturi methi, curry leaves, mustard seeds and oil. For the tadka, we will take ghee, garlic and Kashmiri red chilies. For garnishing, we will take fresh coriander. Now, how do we make this dish? First, take a utensil and boil water in it. Now add soaked kolam rice, some salt and a little bit of oil. Mix well and cover with a lid. After some time, you can check the rice should be perfectly cooked. Keep it aside. Now, take a cooker and add water, beans, carrot and potato. Add some salt to taste and close the lid. You must cook this till the vegetables become soft. Now for preparing the masala base, take a pan and add oil. Add cumin seeds and bay leaf. To this, you add some chopped onion, garlic paste, ginger paste and chili paste. You must add a little salt here to soften the onions. Mix well and saute till the onion turns light pink. Now to this, you must add turmeric, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix them well and add chopped tomato and cook till everything becomes soft. Add a little water and let the masala blend well. To this, add the boiled vegetables. Add a little bit more water and cook everything till it blends well. Now add the boiled mixed dal which was previously cooked with turmeric, salt, chili paste and ginger paste. Mix it well. Add the cooked rice. Gently mix everything till the dal, rice and vegetables are thoroughly combined. You can adjust water as per your desired consistency. For the tadka, we will take a small pan, heat ghee and add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida, crushed garlic and Kashmiri chili. When the tadka becomes fragrant, pour it generously over the hot khichdi. You can garnish this with fresh coriander. And that's it. Your soft, soothing and homely dal khichdi is ready. Serve hot and enjoy this simple yet yummy meal. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, we will see you again very soon with another delicious recipe. Sai Hira Ram.